Presenting you, our young creative, Pragyos Jain and Liu Pal Classe, on Inside 20 for News TV 1. Reporting FRO Knowledge Valley School.
And gentlemen present here, I am Pragyat Jain.
I am Liu Pal.
And we are from Black and White News Channel. And we are reporting from Knowledge Valley School, Zahar, at your service. So first of all, here are the news headlines of India in 2024 September. Politics. Cabinet clears simultaneously polls. The Indian cabinet has been approved by simultaneously polls, which expected to cost like around 1.8 trillion rupees. Rahul Gandhi controversy. Union Minister Pittu says that Rahul Gandhi is not an Indian but an terrorist. Crime and law. Kolkata doctor rape case. Junior doctor in Kolkata rejected Mamata Banerjee's talks offer, damaging justice for the victim. Assam eviction drive violence. 2 people were killed when police opened during firing. And evacuation in Assam. Accidents and disasters. Gujarat drowning incident. 8 people drowned in Gujarat during Ganesh Visarjan. Now, it's your part, Liju.
Narendra Modi attacks chief families in Srinagar. They put stones in hand of yachts. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday accused the Congress National Conference and PDP of putting stones in the hands of the yachts of Jammu and Kashmir and running their future for political benefits of Paul Raleigh in Srinagar. He vowed families of Jammu and Kashmir to destroy another generation of the state.
Would you like to know more about specific news stories? Here are the top 5 international news stories of September 2024. Israel-Hezbollah conflict escalates. Israel Mossad has been accused of planting explosives in pagers sold to Hezbollah, resulting 8 deaths and 2,750 injuries. Typhoon in Myanmar. At least it killed 226 people and many were injured. And the typhoon also hit China. Shanghai has been severely affected by typhoon. Over 400,000 people were badly injured. Ukraine-Russia conflict increases. A drone attack from Ukraine at Russia. Pressing global issues including climate change, poverty, human rights, and many more. Then, other significant international news stories include the ongoing conflict in Sudan, with UN arguing with immediate action to stop fighting in EI. The situation in Afghanistan has concerns are growing over women's rights and humanity issues under tribal rule. The global economic impact of climate change, with industries fueling the climate crisis accused during public floods in the global south. National news headline. No proof of gang rape in RG car case, but looking into all possibilities have got leads. CBI to court the Indian Express. Atishi to be Delhi's new CM. LG proposes swearing in on 21st of September. Business. One national, one election. Modi cabinet clears plan for simulation polls. Hindustan Times. IMD issues very heavy rainfall. Warning for Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, yellow alert for Delhi, Uttarakhand and other states. Financial Express. One-sided, not feasible to maintain. Indian sends notice to Pakistan demanding for modification of Indus water and warns them if they do not modify it, so we will not give you anything. Then the most big news, which is Elon Musk Neuralink gets approval for blindside device to restore vision. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has announced that Neuralink, his brain chip startup company, has received approval from US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) for a experimental implant device which will enable even those who do not have their both eyes or who have lost their both eyes or who are having optic nerve problem. The blindside device from Neuralink will enable even those who have lost both their eyes and their optic nerve, provided the visual context in text. It will be very soon in India too. Elon Musk has started working on it, and if we will see that this is a very great news, because many of people born in India or born all over the world do not have good eyes, or as time passes because of old age their eyesight gets very bad. And Elon Musk says that this device will improve the eyesight of people and it will be more good than our natural naked eyes.